Let's start with China's coronavirus vaccine development. The United Arab Emirates has already officially registered the vaccine produced by Chinese drug giant Sinopharm, saying it was 86% effective. Turkey also announced plans to vaccinate its population, starting with the Chinese-developed vaccine later this month. This follows local trials which showed no serious adverse reactions. In addition, Mexico has signed an agreement to buy 35 million doses of vaccine from CanSino Biologics. And Chinese-produced coronavirus vaccines are shipped to Brazil from Beijing Capital International Airport. Our reporter Ning Hong was at the scene.
What could be the most valuable cargo in the world? Hundreds of thousands of COVID-19 vaccines produced in China are being loaded on a Swiss Air cargo jet to be delivered to Brazil before Christmas. The vaccine has been produced by two of China's major vaccine makers, Sinopharm Group and Sinovac Biotech. Vaccines must be kept under a certain temperature to remain active. Before they've shipped out of production plant in Beijing, the vaccine are loaded into temperature-controlled containers and sent to the airport by cold chain trucks.
This container contains vaccines that will ship outside China, and it is crucial that these vaccines are kept under certain stable environment and temperature to keep its activity. And you can see these are temperature sensors both outside and inside this container to record and control the temperature throughout the process. And in order to keep them active, the container also equipped it with batteries that will last for days in order to keep the temperature inside it stable. And now it is charging here in the airport, and you could see that temperature is 4.8 Celsius degree. And this temperature will be kept stable until these vaccines reach their destination.
A special team was established by the Beijing Ground Services, a freight specialist to oversee transport to the airport. They're responsible for a safe, stable delivery to the site, which includes ensuring the container's batteries are fully charged before being loaded onto a plane.
This isn't a new task for us, but delivering vaccines in such a great quantity is something we haven't seen before. We've set up a special team to handle the process and to ensure the vaccines are well protected and shipped out in the most efficient way.
Working on a freezing cold winter morning with more planes arriving to pick up vaccines, Beijing Capital is performing an extraordinary task in the fight against COVID-19. Ning Hong, CGTN, Beijing.